type 4, known as coily hair. Type 4s are prone to moisture loss, which means that my wash day routine is super important to help keep my hair glowing and healthy. Washing your hair too often can cause it to become brittle over time. Harsh chemicals like sulfates and drying alcohols can also wreak havoc on type 3 and 4 hair. A natural shampoo will cleanse your scalp without stripping it of its natural oils. Infused with black seed oil, rich shea butter, and argan oil, I use Boiti Royal Cleanse Shampoo to cleanse and hydrate my hair. Made for type 3 and 4 hair, Boiti Sovereign Repair Serum is enriched with nourishing black seed oil and vitamins that help repair and protect your scalp. After shampooing, gently rub the serum into your scalp to stimulate hair regrowth. I like to do a deep condition at least once a week to add an extra boost of moisture. After a quick rinse, we then apply a final moisture boost with my Supreme Leave-In Conditioner. Like all products in the Boity Haircare collection, the conditioner is made with nourishing ingredients that are not only gentle on your hair, but kind to the environment too. The Boiti Illustrious Scalp Spray is one of my favorite products in my haircare range. The spray's gentle formula contains black seed and tea tree oils, which help repair a damaged or itchy scalp. And it can be used on natural hair, braids, locks, twists, and afros. For best results, distribute it evenly across your crown after you condition and don't rinse it out until your next wash. I don't skimp on the moisturizing. After drying your hair, apply a small amount of Boiti Empress Smoothing Edge Control Gel to your hairline for a sleek, smooth finish. The gel is very gentle on the scalp. Combing the gel through my hair instantly makes it feel softer, more supple, and easier to manage. As a musician and entrepreneur, my schedule gets hectic, and I don't always have time to take care of my crown as much as I would like to. After blow drying and combing, create a plait from your crown to the nape of your neck, then fasten the plait with bobby clips. Once you've smoothed the edges, gather your hair into a side parting and tie the hair into a simple, sleek bun for an elegant day or nighttime look. I love this look. Protective styles can easily be switched up to add length and volume, or you can add a hairpiece for a statement look. On days when you want to take a break from extensions, grab your faux afro to create a gorgeous halo effect. One of my favorite looks, the romantic slick back ponytail, is super easy to do. After drying your hair, use a wide tooth comb to divide the hair into small sections, then create 2 or 3 tight cornrows that will help hold the ponytail in place. Type 4 hair gets extremely dry and brittle, and because the hair struggles to absorb and hold moisture, you want to seal your hair with a rich moisturizing product like Boiti Empress Smoothing Gel, which nourishes the hair and holds it in place while you finish perfecting your look. The good news is that not all protective styles require braids. A long pony is a versatile lengthening look that you can wear with sleek strands or crimp it to create texture and interest. Finish off your look with a spritz of my luxurious hair perfume. This light, nourishing mist is infused with argan oil to soften the hair while adding shine. With hints of jasmine, wild marigold, French lavender, and tangerine, it smells heavenly. Before bedtime, cover your hair with a satin or silk hair bonnet to lock in the moisture and protect your hair from bedtime breakage. After using the Boity Haircare collection, my hair has become softer, more defined, and hydrated. What more could a girl want?